All right, finally back. Trying to at least put one head on today. I did see one of the other head studs was a little discolored. I don't know how it got so hot or how it got discolored, but I did order another one. So we're just gonna do one side today, wait for that other head stud to come in, and then put the other side on. First, we got the head gasket. Head gaskets are identical. Only go on one way. You need to make sure of is this one, I don't know, is that oil or water? Oil jacket, water jacket right there. I think that's oil. So we got the head gasket on. Gonna move on to the head. I did already clean the surface of the block. And the surface of the head is clean. Let's just double check. Everything looks good. You know what, I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. So this is the right side of the engine. We do have the, right side head. Hope I didn't just mess it up. No, we good. Oh, my back hurts.
We're going to set this gently on. Can't line it up. Is that lined up as it's supposed to be? Can't tell.
I just need a rubber mallet. Let's give it a couple tabs. There we go. Just getting it seated on the dowel pins. I think we got it seated enough. I did have the heads redone. They came like this from the machine shop with the cams already in. They're not torqued or anything. It is just to keep all the buckets in place because they're all, should have already been set, the lash between the valves. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these real quick so we can put the studs and nuts in.
I just got that one side out. Exhaust out. Got all the cam caps off, intake cam out.
They did put some assembly lube on the areas of the, was this cam bearing, I guess you say, cam area. 6 head studs. ARP instructions say to put them in hand tight. Only wrench I could find, ratchet, was this 3/8 with a real long, Why does it feel like I'm not threading in? No, that's going in. All right, there we go. First head stud in.
You know, this might even be easier with. We're going to use some power tools. Hopefully it goes in. There we go. Bam. Alright, can we tell? Yeah. All 6 head studs in. We got the washers all cleaned up, free of oil and debris. Oil. Put the washers on. Washer on. Washer on. Washer on.
When I was talking to the people at Eagle for the rods using their ARP fasteners or whatever, they said any moly-based lube is okay. Just regular Lucas assembly lube is a moly-based lube, so this is fine to use as a the grease or whatever the whatever you call it for the nuts to get the correct torque spec. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the base of them, get them started a couple threads. All right, torque sequence is with these on the front. That's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if I remember that. So we're just gonna
Run them down till it stops in the order. It's a 12.14 for the nuts. Am I recording? Yeah. 12.14 for the nuts. 1, 2, 3. Is that? I don't think that's right. Anyway, it's starting to work your way out. We're just going to get them down.
All right, got the instruction pulled up for the ARP studs. Basically just says clean everything, use the lube on just the nuts. Then we have the torque procedure, tightening torques in the stages 30, 60, 90, and the torque sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, first round at 30.
Can hear it switching down. 30. 30. but is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do 60 now.
I did do the 60 foot-pounds in the correct torque sequence because I wasn't trying to film, so I'm gonna try and film and do the correct sequence. And 91 is down here, already messed up. 90 foot-pounds. About to blow these gaskets out. You ready? 80. Fuck. 90.
Feels very tight. Last one, number 6, going to 90 foot-pounds. Oh, that felt a little interesting. Everything on the, was this right side head? All head bolts have been torqued in proper sequence. I'm gonna put the cams back in real quick. Put a mark on the cam, I'm sure that's not good, but we're rolling with it. Little arrows on the cam caps. So which way is forward? Put a garbage bag over it. And wait for that other head stud to come in. Put these in here. This one in here, this one in here.